So my airbrush is in the midst of getting moved to the shed. So I'm actually going to be hand painting the cockpit for this helicopter. I think it'll work out well for me anyway, seeing as these pieces are super, super small. But yeah. For the next part, I will be using the micro crystal clear for the windows. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in for the windows. I use these for the windows, this for the windows because it dries clear. It looks like an Elmhurst white glue paste, but then it dries clear. And it's not like CA glue where if you get it on the glass or the plastic, it's destroyed. Because I figured that out the hard way with the CA glue and completely destroyed the windows on the last helicopter that I built. I ended up getting a separate kit just so I could rebuild the last one. But, you know, that's what this hobby is about. Just learning things and learning as you go. Now I am just fitting the cockpit in here, making sure all the grooves kind of line up. I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, like, instead of gluing the seams down here, I'm gonna like glue underneath. So we'll go ahead and try that out. We've got half a heli right now, ladies and gentlemen. Half a heli. So, and nobody's gonna see this back here, so it doesn't matter how gnarly it looks. Just a dabble, do ya? Get that piece in. That way. I'll go ahead and get it under there. There we go. so great news. When I went ahead and dropped the helicopter, which I did while painting, everything else looked pretty good and kept together, except I just unrolled the masking tape off of the places that I need to paint separate colors, and we have a split. Oh my goodness, let me get a different angle for you guys. Ta-da! Fantastic. I am going to have to fix this. Yeah, this is the helicopter from hell.